Good day everyone. I was watching the weather change outside the window the other day, watching the wind rip through the trees, and even when a heavy storm rolls in, it's always the exact same picture. The leaves get torn, the small twigs snap, and the whole tree bends under the weight of the wind or the gale. When the wind finally stops and the sky clears, most of those trees are still standing upright. And it got me thinking. Storm doesn't test the leaves, it actually tests the roots. In a world that is completely obsessed with polishing the leaves, I think it's time we had an honest conversation about what we're actually building underground. Let's talk about what the leaves of the trees actually represent in our modern lives. The leaves are everything on the surface. It's the job title, the polished social media profile, maybe the clean corporate badge, or perhaps the fancy car in the driveway, or the highlighting reels that we show to the world on our social media. The leaves are the parts of our lives that are easily for strangers to see, admire, and sometimes compliment. And when the sun is shining and life is calm, it's easy to spend all our time, energy, and money making sure our leaves look green, full, and impressive to the outside world. We are told to hustle for the next promotion, chase statuses, create the image of success, so that everybody walking by thinks that we've got it all figured out. But here's the truth. Leaves offer zero structural support. They look great in the sunshine, but they cannot hold a tree upright when a gale force wind hits your life. Think about that. Because eventually, the storm comes for every single one of us. It might come as a sudden health scare under your roof. It might come in a form of a bad financial month or two or year, perhaps an unexpected layoff from work, or the heavy weight of a work burnout. It might be the season where your marriage is struggling or your kids are going through a dark patch in their lives. And when the storm hits, do you know what actually happens? The leaves are the first things that get stripped away. Your job title doesn't sit next to you in a hospital bed. No, your fancy car cannot fix a broken dynamic at your dinner table. Your follower count or your subscriber count cannot grant you peace of mind when you lie awake 2 o'clock in the morning with a heavy feeling on your chest. In the middle of a real crisis, the surface level flexes become completely meaningless in a matter of seconds, like this. The storm strips away the noise and forces you to face one single, unavoidable question. What is actually holding you down? That is where your roots comes in. The roots are the part of life that nobody sees. They are built quietly day after day in an unglamorous moment of under your roof. Your roots are your core integrity, your respect, who you are when no one is watching you, your quiet values, and your absolute commitment to your family. It's a trust you've built with your spouse over years of honest, hard conversations. It's the presence you give your children after an exhausting workday. When you put your phone away and just listen to them or kick the ball with them. That's what it is. It's the discipline to live below your means so a financial bump doesn't destroy your household. And I know it's easier said than done. I know that. But that's the core roots. Roots actually take time to grow. They aren't flashy. Imagine, nobody walks past a tree and compliments its root system because it's buried in the dirt, in the sand. But when the ground shakes and the wind blows, the roots are the only reason that tree doesn't get uprooted and actually destroyed. In a quiet, invincible work, staying with your family, honest, having respect and holding a line. You don't need to panic when the wind starts to blow. Your foundation was actually built for this. So if you're watching this video right now and feeling a bit battered by the storm in your own life, take heart. Stop stressing over the leaves you've lost. Let the superficial stuff blow away. Use the season to look down and focus on what actually matters in your life. Water the roots, protect your household, and hold on to the character, your character, and stay firm. The leaves will always grow back when the sun comes up, but only the roots hold strong. Thanks for spending time with me outdoors today. I really appreciate it. As always, keep it real, tend your foundation, and I'll see you guys in the next look. Lekker bly. Cheers.